Heidi ho everybody, I'm Mr. Snackosaurus, and I have a turkey on my head. For today's adventure, I went to Cracker Barrel to try their country fried turkey dinner. Please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and entertaining content, and please comment on this video whether you tried this meal or whether you liked it. If you do, you'll be entered in my $50 giveaway when I reach 1,500 subscribers. Now let's get started on today's Snackalicious adventure. The Cracker Barrel Old Country store is more than a restaurant. It also has a gift store and also merchandise such as rocking chairs, games, toys, holiday decorations, and that sort of thing. Let us go inside. So here we can see some of the decorations, clothes, and gifts they have in their main gift store. I decided to eat dinner there and try their country fried turkey. Later, I also tried their cinnamon bun pie, so please stay tuned while I try some of their dessert. Looking around the dining room area of Cracker Barrel, we see a lot of old country antiques. There's also a large main fireplace they light when it gets cold outside. Country signs, farming equipment, a lot of lanterns. They also used to light lanterns at the table. And back again to the main fireplace. Looking at their special menu, we also have special things like Thanksgiving feasts, Christmas dinner meals. They even have things like buying an entire pie. So if you wanted to plan your entire Thanksgiving and Christmas meal here and have it catered, Cracker Barrel would take care of it. I of course tried the country fried turkey. The country fried turkey consisted of hand-breaded turkey fillets, fried till crispy, and topped with herb pan gravy. Served with 2 country sides, cranberry relish, and buttermilk biscuits or corn muffins. And this was $12.29. Later, I tried the dessert, so please stay tuned for that. Let me cut that turkey. Get that. Okay. This is okay. The first thing that strikes me is that my turkey wasn't very juicy or tender. Maybe it was just the person that made it. It also wasn't very flavorful, so I didn't really taste the turkey. But the best part about it was the gravy. The gravy had a good flavor to it. I wish there was more of it, and I wish I had a little tub to dunk it in. The breading was crispy, but it could use more seasoning. I have to say that I'm a little bit disappointed with this dish. I think I'm probably going to give this 5 turkeys out of 10.
You jive turkey.
Next, I tried their mashed potatoes with their yummy gravy. These are pretty good. The potatoes were kind of thick and starchy, pretty decent, but what pushes it over the edge once again is that delicious gravy. With the gravy on top of the potatoes, I think I'm going to give these 8 turkeys out of 10. Now let us try the corn.
I really like corn.
This is basic buttery corn. You can put your own salt and pepper on it. Just your basic corn, I'd say 7 out of 10 turkeys.
Because corn is awesome!
Lastly, I tried their cornbread muffins with some butter. Get on there. are decent. I'm kind of picky about cornbread. Sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's not flavorful. The cornbread itself was moist and very soft, and I like that. The butter was very good. I wasn't getting a strong corn taste out of the muffins. They kind of have a flat flavor to them. So I kind of wish there was a stronger and a sweeter flavor to the corn itself. And then I would really like these. I'm kind of on the fence about these as well, so I'm going to give these 5.5 turkeys out of 10. Now lastly, there was the cranberry sauce. I tried to put it on the turkey, but when I put it on the turkey, it didn't taste that good. It tastes good by itself, so it tasted better when I ate the turkey and then took a spoonful of the cranberry sauce afterwards. So I would suggest eating it like that. Now on to dessert. There were many desserts to pick from, but I decided to try their seasonal favorite, cinnamon roll pie, which was $4.99. They also had apple streusel, pecan pie, chocolate pecan pie, pumpkin pie, double fudge, chocolate Coca-Cola cake, beignets, and some other seasonal favorites. The cinnamon roll pie consisted of cinnamon rolls baked into a pie crust, drizzled with sweet cream cheese icing. There was also the option of adding vanilla ice cream on the side, which I was more than happy to add on. Give me that. Little piece of ice cream with it. And this was really good. My pie was slightly warm. The rolls were very, very soft. The cream cheese was just the right amount of sweetness, and I could taste the cinnamon. Plus it was encased in pie dough. The ice cream was the perfect vanilla accent to set it off. These flavors were perfect together. I really like this pie, and I would definitely get it again. And I would give this 8.5 turkeys out of 10.
Cinnamon?
After my din-din, I went to look at their holiday gifts. I noticed the Christmas stockings were $7.99 and saw this stunningly beautiful dinosaur with a Santa Claus hat and scarf, which I think I'm going to use as a giveaway, so pay attention for that. I then looked at some of their fall and turkey decorations. They had turkey platters, cups and mugs, salt and pepper shakers, lots of owls, spoon holders. Look at that turkey. That was 99 cents. They had other things like squirrels driving tractors that light up. They have it all. So that was my adventure at Cracker Barrel trying their new turkey dinner. Please hit that like and subscribe button and comment below. By doing so, you can enter my $50 giveaway. Please stay tuned for some more fun Thanksgiving adventures. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.